Greetings, foodies. Today, we are unraveling the secrets behind a classic and utterly irresistible appetizer, crab rangoon. I'm your Quirky Quest, and I'm excited to be your guide through this culinary journey that promises to elevate your appetizer game. But before we dive into the magic, let's gather our ingredients. 18 pcs wonton wrappers. 2 cups avocado oil or neutral tasting oil. Water for sealing wontons. To make the filling, 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons imitation crab meat or canned real crab meat, whichever is easier to source. 1/2 cup cream cheese. 1 tablespoon green onion finely chopped. 1 teaspoon regular soy sauce. 1/2 teaspoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. 1/2 teaspoon white granulated sugar. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Serve it with sweet Thai chili sauce. Chop imitation crab meat into 2 cm wide pieces and set aside. In a large bowl, soften room temperature cream cheese with a spatula until smooth. Add imitation crab meat into your bowl of cream cheese, along with green onion, soy sauce, sesame oil, Worcestershire sauce, white granulated sugar, garlic powder and black pepper. With a fork, mix very well until crab meat breaks down. Add 3/4 tablespoon of the filling into the center of the wonton wrapper. Using your fingers, dab a bit water along the edges of the wrapper. Then lift 2 opposing corners of the wrapper and pinch only the tip of it. Then lift the adjacent corners and seal them. Make sure to pinch them very well to prevent leakage as you fry. In your pan, add oil and bring to medium heat. Once oil is hot, add crab rangoons in 2 separate batches. Do not overcrowd the oil. Fry 2 minutes on both sides, until golden brown. Once they're perfectly fried, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Now, our crab rangoon are ready to be served. Enhance the experience by serving them with a dipping sauce of your choice. Sweet chili sauce or a soy-based dipping sauce works wonders. If you're ready to impress your guests with a restaurant-quality appetizer, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delightful recipes. Enjoy making and savoring these crab rangoon, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!